Good morning, welcome to my channel. My name is Channelle Bea. For those of you who don't know me, for those of you who do, thank you for rocking with your girl. So this video is a 5-day detox, y'all. I'm excited. The detox I found out about is on this vegan Facebook page that I follow. They invited us to join, that they have meal plans, everything prepped out for us. So I'm just literally gonna be doing for y'all what they already have me doing. So we're gonna start each day off with infused water. So this water has been soaked in oranges all night, as I showed y'all in one of the clips before. So I'm drinking this. How to just wake up to 16 ounces. And I'm about to go to the gym. I'm not gonna eat right now because I'm not hungry. I actually woke up late because I went to bed late. I went to bed at 3:30, guys, and that's not good either for your body. So I'm gonna try to train my body to go to bed on time too. Like, I feel like I have insomnia or something, but I'm about to really just try to focus on going to sleep because I know my body will react better to that. So we're about to be eating healthy, sleeping healthy, working out. We're just about to get this body in the best shape of my life. On this clip right here, you see what size I am right now. I think I'm really starting this. I always start detoxes around my cycle for whatever reason. Feel like I'm about to start my cycle, so this number isn't accurate, but it is right now. This is what my body looking like. But yeah, I'm about to go to the gym, and I guess I'll take you guys with me. So come along for this journey, you feel me? Pulled up at the gym. I'm about to get out and go in and try to get some workout on. Low-key, I feel like I should have ate, but you know, we're just taking this day by day because I kind of feel hungry now. Hopefully that doesn't affect my workout, but y'all gonna see, and I'll give y'all an update after y'all see me work out. I am in Target right now looking for a blender, and I don't know if I'm in the right section because my blender, every video I make about food, I talk mess about my own blender. Like, y'all don't judge me. Shit, no, don't judge yourself.
Okay, y'all, so I'm in Target like I just said, and they really got some good priced air fryers. I didn't know that, but they're really affordable here. Like, let me show y'all. This instant vortex one is $90. They got stuff like around $100 and stuff, which isn't bad. But this one is $70, $100. This one's $70. This one's even $40. Like if you riding solo, like if you single, this would be perfect. But this aisle is what I'm looking for. Blenders galore. This is my third store I'm looking for blenders. I want this one, but I don't want to pay this much, even though that's not bad. I just want to pay like $4. And just my luck, they're out. They're out, y'all. So it's like that. Everybody got them all, but this is the only one left with like a full price of that and that. This one, and that's $200. Who you know? Okay, I know multiple people, but I'll wait. Y'all, it's not working for me. I even thought about getting this blender. It's a Hamilton Beach, a multi-blend kitchen system. It's like a 3-in-1 for only $50. But they're sold out of that. I was like, shoot, you know, I need a slicer. But this is it. This is what kind of sold me. I could do all that. Like, I need that.
Finally got it, y'all. Finally. So this is what we're working with. It do freaking everything. So I don't feel bad about spending my money on this stuff. Yes. Also, if you're wondering why I don't got my wig on, it's because it's still drying. Yesterday I washed it and conditioned it and even trimmed them ends. Looking right. I have really not eaten all day. I don't know what's wrong with me. And the crazy thing is I'm not even starving. But I think you just put the inside in. I don't think it twists or anything. I don't know. Hopefully that works. It just said hold the blade assemble to the top of the shaft, insert into the picture. Okay. So I'm making two different. What am I telling you? I'm making two different types of smoothies. Like for Monday on this thing, they have something called a candy, excuse me, candy cane lane holiday smoothie. And it's gonna be like a white layer and then a red layer. So let me see what's what. So I guess we'll do the white one first. And that one is gonna consist of 2 frozen bananas, 1 cup of coconut meat, which I didn't know what coconut meat was, so I just got like coconut stuff out the frozen food section. I didn't see anything that said meat or anything. Then you're gonna add, you're supposed to add 1 cup of young coconut water. I'm just gonna put regular water. I don't like coconut water, and then vanilla extract. Oh, let's get to putting this together, y'all. So I got the banana and what I think is coconut meat in there. And now I need a measuring cup. And I'm gonna put 1 cup of regular water, but you can put coconut water or whatever you want. And then it said 1/4 of vanilla extract. So 1/4 of teaspoon, whatever the spoon. Okay. So this go right here, y'all. Okay, align it right. And then that, click into that spot. Okay, and now it's on smoothie already. Like it give you the option to go. Y'all know. Y'all probably like, bitch, shut up. Oh my God, this thing is powerful. Okay, y'all, for right now, I'm gonna be ghetto and put it in a Tupperware container. Oh my hold this. Oh my god, it's really like ice cream. Like, this gonna be a thick smoothie. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. My old smoothie maker could never. Could never. Okay, so the next smoothie consists of the red layer. And for that one, y'all saw me do meal prepping. It's 1 cup of frozen berries. I mixed raspberries and strawberries. 2 frozen bananas, 2 dates, and then coconut water in this one as well. And I'm just gonna use water. Okay. Okay, we getting familiar. And then I'm gonna turn it on again. It's already on smoothie. Y'all ain't gonna lie. This smoothie bomb. You can't eat it with a spoon, a straw. Because it's thick. Thick. I never would have made this had it not been for this detox. It's really good. Really, really good. Like, it's not even lacking coconut water. Like, for what? I feel like that stuff is weird. Like, this is good. Not on a detox journey looking fat. I don't care. So y'all, this is the way we are ending the night with broth. 16 ounces of broth. I used the premium Better Than Bouillon mix, the base, which is made with garden carrots, celery, onion, and tomatoes. I used 2 teaspoons. So I just read the instructions and I made this broth. A lot of people in the group message, you're talking about like, dang, do we really have to eat dinner? Because they had the salad and the smoothie. But I'm like, dang, this really low-key is a lot of food. Now I understand why they have us eating broth for dinner. But I'm just gonna finish this out for today. Thank y'all for joining the day 1 detox. The day 2 is gonna be a little bit more organized. I'm gonna wake up on early and get through all of things. So stay tuned for that. I love you guys and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.